How to pay Scotia credit card bill. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Let me head over to one of the article which is going to guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can pay your credit card bill. So this is one of the article which is going to help you out. So the very first step is to launch your application Scotiabank, enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Now select the credit card which you wish to make the payment. Once selected, view your credit card details. Now all you want to do is you have to tap on Pay icon. Now choose the account you would like to make the payment come from. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Choose the statement balance, minimum payment, or current balance or other. Once you have entered the details, review to ensure the information is accurate. When you are ready to proceed, slide to transfer at the bottom of the screen. After that, your payment will be done and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.